So you guys,
Pushback.
and
Not
then
tomorrow.
King's Party. And then
Oh wait, sorry, not on Saturday. On 22nd. 22nd is on Sunday.
Alright, then that one fine.
Depends on where I'm going.
I still want to go on that day though.
First I have to beg my mom to let me go first. Then she's gonna be like, Mom, please, party.
You know what I said to my brother when he said he wants to go out with his friends? Be careful on the road. It's an Airbus.
This is a 359.
For some reason I want to really get the Krispy Kreme donuts.
Oh my god. Wait, what's happening there? Look at the pushback tug. What's happening to the pushback tug? Because I do not believe that is normal.
I guess bro's been smoking too much.
No, I think it's the fuel burning. Because that's what it kind of looks like.
I know I want to get the Krispy Kreme donuts so bad.
I like cream donuts. But my reason is weird. I also like Twinkies. Yeah, I do not believe that is normal, right?
Yeah.
I do not believe that much smoke is normal. Stop talking.
100 Krispy Kreme glazed donuts in one sitting.
That's what LeBron fans are. Glazed donuts.
100 of them.
Or this guy, yeah.
My father don't like him because he say he's